Today, we'll be taking a look at 12 tiny houses you can buy on Amazon in 2021. And as usual, in the description below, we have the links to all the tiny houses mentioned in this video. Be sure to subscribe for new content and drop a like below. Now, let's go straight to the video. Number 1. Bella Cabin. This cute cottage offers 237 square feet of living space in the main area and an additional 86 square feet in the loft. With 3 rooms on the first floor, you can easily create a kitchen and a bathroom. This tiny home is $17,800 and shipping is free. Number 2. All-Wood Claudia Cabin. This tiny house has windows galore on one side and 209 square feet of space for you to customize. Amazon sells it for $7,290 with free shipping. Number 3. All-Wood Ranger Cabin. This is the stuff tiny home dreams are made of. The cabin has 259 square feet on the main floor and a large 168 square foot loft, as well as thick, energy-efficient walls. The price? $19,990 with free shipping from Amazon. Number 4. All-Wood Timberline. Another spacious tiny house. This model features 354 square feet on the main floor with an additional 129 square feet in the loft. 3 rooms downstairs make it easy to finish out your bath and kitchen. The porch provides even more living space. Get the kit shipped free for $34,900. Number 5. All-Wood Avalon Cabin. Back in the day, the tiny house concept was found in a catalog. You'd choose your look, have the pieces shipped to where you want them, then assemble the home yourself. Now, with the rise of the internet, the DIY home building market game has changed. All-Wood is an online retailer which sells a variety of home products from personal saunas to full wood cabins. Their Avalon Cabin includes everything you need to assemble your home yourself, including the windows, doors, as well as nails and screws. And for $33,900, you can't beat the price, even if it's self-assembled. Number 6. Wise Hang Expandable Container House. This container-style home is from the manufacturer Wise Hang and is a flat-pack modular prefab home. The easy-to-follow instructions will guide you in putting together the walls, as well as the kitchen, bathroom, and solar power system. It's a true tiny house since it's only around 152 square feet, but it has features that make the place feel spacious, like the expanding room that converts to a bedroom at night. There is also an attached deck that has an awning, which helps create a relaxed outdoor environment. If you're wondering about the cost, Amazon sells it for only $36,000. Number 7. Titan Park Model Homes Tiny Home. This tiny house is from the Titan Park Model Homes, and it plays with the traditional idea of tiny houses, but adds an extra layer of glamour to the concept. The home is built on a trailer bed, so you can take it wherever you go. The stylishly sloped roof creates a spacious front porch area outside, as well as dramatically high ceilings inside. There are other touches like crown molding, a full kitchen, and huge windows to let in plenty of natural light, which makes this 399 square foot home feel really spacious and bright. Where else will you find luxury for only $64,900? Number 8. Bantam built tiny house on wheels. Another little house on wheels. This Bantam built home is a little smaller but can still offer the basic comforts of home like a bathroom and private bedroom. The exterior of the home creates an industrial, contemporary look by combining corrugated steel and wood siding. The inside of the home has a kitchenette with a built-in booth which can be converted to a bonus bed for guests. This little house on wheels is also RVIA certified, meaning that it is fully street legal. Bantam has also left out the loft that is usually found in most mobile tiny houses. So, when towing, you don't have to be worried about clearance heights. You can pick it up on Amazon for $49,995. Number 9. Smart Studio Cube. If you don't necessarily want to live in an entire tiny house, but maybe want to free up some space in your backyard office, art studio, or quiet place for contemplation, then you can go on Amazon to purchase the Smart Solar Studio Cube. It is a compact box that arrives pre-assembled and ready to use. The cube is solar powered and features a wall of glass that lets in maximum natural light. The glass doors also fold open in order to create an open-air space. If you want a working space, you can attach a deck to it. It's very minimalist in style, so you can have fun decorating it to your own taste in order to go along with whatever you need it to be. And you can purchase it for $79,000 on Amazon. Number 10. Mooncliff Log Cabin. This single-room home has 164 square feet of floor space, as well as several floor-to-ceiling windows to let in lots of natural light. It costs $8,290 and, you guessed it, ships for free. Number 11. All-wood Sunray Cabin. With so many front-facing windows, it's no wonder this tiny house is called the Sunray. Live a beachy life after you put together this 162 square foot cabin, which costs $8,690 with free shipping. Number 12. Timber Frame Cabin Kit. In the world of tiny homes, this might be considered a mansion. This 725 square foot cabin has 2 bedrooms and a bathroom, as well as ample room for a fully stocked kitchen. It costs $59,321 plus $4.49 for shipping. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to click the subscribe button below.